For millions of years, dinosaurs dominated the planet.
But why did they achieve such colossal sizes while mammals remained small?
The answer lies deep in their biology and the world they inhabited.
Welcome to the Mesozoic era, Earth's age of giants. In the Triassic period, dinosaurs began their reign, initially modest in size. Alongside them, the first mammals emerged, tiny and unassuming.
Dinosaurs possessed several evolutionary advantages that paved their path to gigantism.
One crucial factor, their unique skeletal design, particularly pneumatic bones.
These hollow bones, connected to their respiratory system, made them incredibly lightweight, yet strong. Imagine a structure that's both enormous and light. A marvel of biological engineering.
Then there's the respiratory system. Dinosaurs had bird-like lungs.
This cross-section highlights the unidirectional respiratory cycle, where air flows directly through the lungs into the air case.
Reproduction was another key. Dinosaurs laid eggs.
Starting from a relatively small egg meant they didn't have to carry large, growing fetuses internally. This allowed for multiple offspring and rapid initial growth after hatching. Their growth rates were astounding, driven by specialized growth plates in their bones.
These growth rings reveal astonishing, rapid rates of expansion during their juvenile years.
And then their posture. Dinosaurs walked with an upright stance.
Less energy spent on locomotion meant more energy available for growth.
Now, let's look at their mammalian contemporaries. Their path was different.
Mammals, by contrast, faced significant biological constraints. Live birth meant carrying growing fetuses internally, limiting litter size and mobility. This is a massive energy investment, especially for a large mother.
Mammals are endothermic, or warm-blooded, which requires constant high energy intake.
Our diaphragm-based tidal breathing is less efficient than the dinosaurs' unidirectional system.
This means less oxygen extraction per breath, impacting metabolic capacity and sustained energy. For millions of years, mammals thrived in smaller niches, often nocturnal, avoiding larger predators. Beyond biology, the environment itself played a colossal role.
The Mesozoic Earth was a greenhouse world, far warmer and richer than today. Warm, stable temperatures meant less energy expended on thermoregulation, especially for large ectotherms.
The sheer abundance of plant life provided an endless buffet for herbivorous giants. These massive herbivores processed vast quantities of vegetation, fueling their incredible bulk.
This spurred phenomenal plant growth, the foundation of the entire food web. More plants meant more food, enabling larger and larger animals to thrive.
The world was ripe for gigantism. But what happened when that world changed?
The reign of giants, however, was not destined to last forever.
Let's relax. The Krupe.
When we unearthed this specimen, the most striking feature was the sheer scale. This femur alone tells us this was an apex predator.
If you look closely at the cross-section here, you can trace the LAGs, the lines of arrested growth, which tell us this dinosaur's exact age when it died.
Of Earth. The key difference here is the energy budget. Mammals pay a high price for endothermy, whereas the dinosaurs achieved
The scale of these skeletons is humbling, but the real story is in the details. The bone structure tells us everything.
Look at the sheer scale of this Argentinosaurus. These dorsal vertebrae are over 5 feet.
Look at the striations here. This isn't just bone, this is a record of something. We are looking at a giant.